I got two Xbox 360s. We're going to test them and see what's wrong with them. One blinking red light. The code is E74. See what the secondary code is. You do that by pushing this button and push that. We got a 1. Push it again. That means 0. Push it again. 2. 2. So 1022 is the secondary code. Another problem with this one is the disk drive won't open. Sometimes you can tap it and it'll come open. And what it is the little rubber belt right inside here is usually stretched, so that'll have to be replaced. And you can do it without taking this out. If this was all it was just this disk drive, and we can get to that belt right in there. It's hard to see it, but you could replace it without taking that out. So this has got E74, which is a hardware failure. It's usually that GPU chip. So what we're going to do is tear this apart and try to reflow that chip, and if that doesn't work, then that chip will have to be replaced. Okay, I was messing with this Xbox 360 that's got the E74 code, and as you can see it's working, but what I did is with it powered off, I pulled out the AV cable and then I turned it on. As soon as we started getting those blinking lights, the 4 blinking lights, I plugged that in, and then I pushed this button and then I turned it off. As you can see, it's working. I don't know if it'll last. We'll have to run it for a while. I don't know what's caused the E74 error, but as you can see, it's working. See if it'll play a game.